All right, we are here today. First off, thanks for watching. Welcome back. We have here a HoverAir X1 that my awesome aunt-in-law, my wife's aunt, Aunt Sissy, as we call her, got me this HoverAir X1 drone camera thing that follows you around and does all sorts of awesome stuff. She knows that I've started trying to do some content stuff on YouTube, and she's one of my biggest fans actually right now. So that's awesome. Shout out Aunt Sissy. And she said that she wanted me to do an unboxing video. So I've never done one before, and I'm kind of set up here, and that's what we're going to try and do. So we're going to unbox this awesome HoverAir X1 drone. Pocket drone, I think they call it. I don't know. It's pretty cool. I suppose I should read off some of the specs of it. I can't remember what they are. Oh well, we'll do that later. All right. Get that off there. Comes open. Ooh, it comes open really nice. Okay, HoverAir X1 flying camera. Let's see here. Oh, customer support info there. Cool. All right. We got the battery charging hub. Let me set this up here like this. We got the battery charging hub. What do we got here? Batteries. Okay. And pull this guy out here. There. And that out of the way. All right. That's everything out of the box and out. So now, let's see, let's set batteries in the charger up there. And get the actual drone. Wow, look at I don't know if you can tell the size of that, but that thing is small and cool, and it's supposed to be able to follow you around up to 15 miles an hour. Like your own little, kind of like your own little service droid or something from Star Wars, or like one of those Imperial spy droids, something like that. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, it's also kind of late at night. I had to wait for the kids to go to sleep. And Maggie was not wanting to go to sleep. But they're finally both asleep. So I'm sitting here at the dining room table opening this up. I'm taking a really long time. I don't really know what I'm doing when it comes to, well, any of the videos. Really, I have no idea what I'm doing. Just kind of winging it as I go. And much the same that I'm doing here. All right, this should just slide out there. That slides off there. Okay. And then hover. So we'll lift the lid off. Looks like we got some literature here. Yeah, instructions. I will need those, most definitely. Here. Some card before your first flight. Takeoff and landing. Okay, yeah. We'll save that. We're going to need that. And here it is. Holy cow. This thing is cool. And then you can see it's got looks like it's got a camera there. And then a camera there on the front that moves. It tracks you, I guess. You got the remote here. Cool. That is really neat. I'm assuming this is the charger here. Yep. It comes in this, what's this? Oh, a cool little satin carrying bag. This is pretty neat. That's pretty cool. Maggie will try and steal that from me. soon as she finds it, she'll want to put rocks in it or something or some other little treasures. Something like that. All right, I am going to put you back in there for right now. Or actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to charge this thing up or read the instructions on what to do. Okay. All right, there's that. I suppose we can open up the battery charging hub as well. Let's see what we got here. I am so terrible at pulling these things out of box like this. Oops, and then I end up ripping it, which totally goes against the point of these types of videos. I don't think it's meant to rip the material as you're going through it. So either way, live and learn. Also, sometimes I'm not the most patient, so that doesn't help either. But I'm working on it, and that's what's important. So the charger cord out here. Cool. Yeah. There's some more literature in here as well. Oh, battery charging hub, warranty card. Yeah, I'll save this. And I'll say I'll save it, and I actually will save it. It'll be somewhere in the house, but I'll probably never find it again. We'll see, though. Another thing I'm working on. I'm getting a little bit better about that, too. All right, there's the charging dock. Then, I guess I don't know what all you guys can see, but we'll get this set out here. That out there. Charging port. The bag. The bag's super cool. Drawstring. Satiny smooth bag. Alright, now get the batteries out. Maybe if I go like that. I wonder how that looks on the camera. I wonder if it looks like I'm doing something nefarious. Alright, there's one of the batteries. There. Some more literature. Battery safety instructions. Keep those. Keep those as well. And the last battery, I should put this knife away before I cut myself on it. Okay. And the last battery, let's get this out of here. Come on. Piece of a gun. Get out of there. There we go. Now I can get my stubby fingers on it. Put that out. There we go. It's a lot easier if you just pop them out like that, I don't know if you could see that on the camera either. Alright, we'll stick the back in here. There. Put this other battery back. Anyway, so there it is. So I'm gonna get this thing charged up and think of some stuff to do with it, I guess. This thing is pretty freaking awesome. Merrick, thank you again very much for this. Definitely a surprise. Although when we were texting the other day, you said something about a drone, and I didn't think anything of it. I was like, oh yeah, that'd be pretty cool. And then boom, you sent Micah home with a gift. So thank you again, Aunt Sissy. I appreciate it. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit like and subscribe, please.